Catherine. I hope you guys are all doing well, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these confetti cookies. They're so cute and adorable, and they taste so yummy. These cookies are so bright and fun, especially for Easter and spring. I can't wait to show you guys how to make them. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and try it out, and let me know if you do and how it turned out. Let's get making! To get started, the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, adding 1 1/2 cups of flour. Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. If you didn't use salted butter, you're going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt into the flour mixture and then stir until it's all nicely combined. Now you're going to want to grab a different bowl or your stand mixer with a paddle attachment, and you will be adding a 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature and mixing that until it creams itself. Since we're not using a big amount of butter, you may want to scrape down the sides. Once your butter is all creamed up, we are going to be adding 3/4 cups of granulated white sugar and mix that on medium to high speed, scraping down the bowl until fluffy and smooth. Into the butter mixture, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Along with the vanilla, you're going to need 1 room temperature egg. Turn on your mixer and let all the wet ingredients combine together. You're going to have to scrape this because of the butter and the sugar until that's all kind of combined in. Mix together until you have a smooth consistency. Grabbing your other bowl that has the flour mixture in, we're gonna start combining that into our wet mixture in the stand mixer. And I did this in 2 parts. I think you could probably do it in 1. Just make sure that you scrape down the sides and everything really well. And yes, I know some of my flour fell out. Now to the most exciting part, and what makes these cookies so fun is the sprinkles. I am adding 1/2 cup of sprinkles to my dough, and you can get these at the grocery store or anywhere really, and I'm just mixing them in by hand so they don't get like too mixed in, if that makes sense. Once you have your cookie dough ready, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to grab a cookie pan with some parchment paper lined on it. Then you're just going to take little chunks of your dough and make balls out of it. And then I just put it in a little bowl of sprinkles, just so then when they cooked, my top layer would be covered in sprinkles. In your preheated oven, you're going to bake your cookies for 11 minutes. And then cool on a baking sheet for 5 minutes. These are how my cookies turned out, and I'm so happy, and they were delicious. I hope you guys enjoy, and these are my bloopers.